Tippili, Adimandaram, Tulasi, pepper, palm candy, garlic, small onion.
Hello everyone. Hope you all are doing great. Today in this video we will see the best home remedy for cold, cough and fever. Come on friends, let's collect the ingredients. Here it is. So let's see. I need around 5. Come on, let's take 5. Okay. What else do I need? Yes, I need the panikura leaves. Come on, let's take it. Okay, let's say bye to the plants. Bye, planty friends. Come, let's see all the ingredients.
Turmeric, jeera, coriander seeds, ajwain, panikura leaves, sitarathai. Tippili, Adimandaram, Tulasi, pepper, palm candy, garlic, small onion, cardamom, saffron and dried ginger.
Now, let's see the most important ingredient, that is betel leaves. Here we have the dried betel leaves. You can take the fresh betel leaves also. This is sitarathai. Now, this is Adimandaram. This is Tippili. This is saffron.
We can add the saffron little bit but not too much.
Now let's put all the ingredients into the vessel. Now add 1 glass of water. Now let's boil it for 10 minutes. The best home remedy for cold, cough, and fever. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get all of our useful videos. Now